Good morning. I'm working in my garden. It's so very early. This is where I live. This is nice because I make my coffee and then I go downstairs, rake the yard, and feed the chicken. This is my life. Good morning, Henry, honey. Hello, beautiful baby. How are you going? Yeah, I have been cleaning around this area and there's a lot to do. And Peter cannot do everything by himself, so I have to help him. That's what I said. Can you hear the crackling in the fire? I don't like the insect or a snake. Oh, the rats, and there's the rats, there's a snake. Here we are. There's a possum as well. So there's a lot of and mosquitoes, the place get damp after the rain. So it's important that we maintain the yard. Ooh, it keeps everything away. The heat makes snakes go away. It burns the unwanted insects, especially mosquito. They bring diseases. The rats, they hide under the dry leaves. The snake hides under the dry leaves. Anything unwanted, I don't want it here. You know what I mean? It's important to keep the place safe. It's not healthy. Oh, you have a great day, everyone. That's how far the smoke go. Up there and up there on the left side is the bougainvillea that grow among the trees. This is my backyard and this is where I come in the morning and I start raking for my exercise. Yes, and over here is the chick house. Henry and Honey's chick house is on this side. There they are. That's where they are, my chicken. Alright. I hope you too have a garden. I don't have to go to the gym. I just come to the backyard and start working. Have a great day.